Greetings, friends. Randall Nagy here. Hey, for those of you who are just tuned in, I've been working on a little project called Do Master that will allow us to manage our inspirations, and those inspirations can either be in our present working directory or wherever we start the program from, or in our system directory or wherever we install Do Master 2. So at the moment, if you wanted to use Do Master, you'd have to first download the zip file, and once we downloaded the zip file, of course, here we're on Microsoft Windows, the first thing we'd probably want to do is extract the zip file. And then once we extract Do Master, of course, we'll change directory over to our study. And into the Do Master main in that study, all we'd have to do next would be to open up a command line prompt and then change directory over to that Do Master main folder. Once again, noticing that we have our folder called Do Master that will allow us to demonstrate the new GUI or graphical user interface around our GuiTui program. We can use Python or Python 3 on a POSIX-inspired operating system to run the Do Master module. Starting Do Master, of course, you notice our version here is 2026-21, and we have nothing in the database. And to prove that, all we have to do is tap our Sevens report and see we have nothing in our study Do Master main DB. And if we wanted to add a task to that database, we simply, of course, add it by pressing the 1 menu option. And we could say the priority, for example, would be number 2, because I'm going to say that 1 is highest and 2 is lowest. That's the way it'll be sorted in our report from high to low. And the next task, of course, isn't 1. But if we were going to have another task, we'd say our next task in this case would be 2. Let's go ahead and add another task. We'll see that the higher priority assigned to our second item will allow us to have it placed above the lower priority items, both on our Do Master screen as well as our Do Master HTML report. All the other features, for example, generating HTML report, backing up data, and automatically archiving data when we exit, for example, as described in other videos, are still, of course, present. Of course, the wonderful thing about this latest and greatest version of Do Master, of course, is that no matter whether we're using a textual user interface or the graphical user interface, the menu options will be the same. If you'd like to learn more and hone your professional programming skills for Python, feel free to take a look at the free and open PyQuest project over on GitHub. And if you're interested in in-depth discussion as well as source codes to demonstrate each and every one of the first 100 beginner, intermediate, and advanced concepts, feel free to take a look at the book on Amazon.